This video is under 5 minutes quick overview of the key events that can affect the US equity and alternative asset market next week. The week starts Monday, November 18th and ends on Friday, November 22nd, 2024. November 18th, the Monday, starts with the release of Home Builder Confidence Index for month of October. It will be released in month of November. The index is released by National Association of Home Builders. This index, officially known as the NAHB Wells Fargo Housing Market Index (HMI), gauges builder perceptions of current single-family home sales and sales expectations for the next 6 months. A reading above 50 indicates that more builders view conditions as good than poor. The upcoming November release will provide further insights into builder confidence amid current economic conditions, including interest rates and housing demand. November 19th sees the release of Walmart earnings before the market opens. Retail executives are also optimistic about the upcoming season, with 80% expecting to see the stronger sales both online and in brick and mortar. Let's see if that translates into the higher Walmart stock or not. November 20th, the Wednesday, there's a mammoth event that is the release of the Nvidia earnings after the market closes. This event will determine the uptrend or downtrend of the US stock market next week. The bulls are optimistic because of the upcoming Blackwell platform launch, high demand of the chips, the AI rally, and the future guidance. The bears are skeptical because of competition from the other chip makers such as AMD, Microsoft, Apple, Qualcomm, the supply chain constraints, and the TSM related issues. TSM is a major supplier to the Nvidia for the silicon wafers. Nvidia's revenue has increased by 868% over the past 5 years, while its net income has risen 1650%. This has fueled a stock price surge of 2610%. Let's see what happens next week. The Wednesday also sees the release of earnings for Target at 6:30 a.m., Snowflake, Jack in the Box, and Palo Alto Networks after the market closes. Then the Friday, November 22nd, will see the release of the Personal Consumption Expenditure Price Index, also known as PCE. PCE is a key measure of inflation in the United States, reflecting changes in the prices of goods and services purchased by consumers. It is compiled by the Bureau of Economic Analysis (BEA) and is closely monitored by the Federal Reserve to inform monetary policy decisions. The high PCE readings, when the PCE price index shows inflation above the Fed's 2% target, it increases the likelihood of tighter monetary policy, that is rate hikes. Higher interest rates can negatively impact the stock prices, especially growth stocks, as they rely on the low borrowing costs and discontinued future cash flows. Low PCE readings, a lower or cooling PCE reading signals that inflation is under control, which may prompt the Fed to ease its stance or halt rate hikes. This is generally bullish for the stock market. Thank you very much.